Hi, I'm Nathan Harvey, Technical Community Manager, and I'd like to introduce you to Chef. Chef is an automation platform that configures and manages your infrastructure, whether it's on-premise or in the cloud. You can use Chef to speed up application deployment and even create a continuous delivery pipeline. The key to Chef's power is that it turns infrastructure into code. Infrastructure as code means that your computing environment has some of the same attributes as your application. It's versionable, it's testable, and it's repeatable. Chef's unique approach gives you tremendous flexibility. You don't need to struggle to conform to Chef. Chef adapts to you and your environment. You can describe any resource you have, no matter how much it differs from a standard configuration. With Chef, there's no reason to start from scratch. Many standard infrastructure configurations and tasks are already described in Chef cookbooks that are available for free on the Chef community site. Chef comes in two flavors, Open Source Chef and Enterprise Chef. Open Source Chef is a free version of Chef and is the basis for both versions of Chef. Enterprise Chef includes premium features such as multi-tenancy, so you can support multiple organizations with a single Chef server, role-based access control of configuration resources, integration with Active Directory for managing administrators' identities, reporting tools, and professional services and support from our Chef experts. You can run Enterprise Chef in-house or let us host it for you at no extra cost. Either way, you can manage up to 5 nodes for free. Chef integrates with your existing environment. You can interact with the Chef server from Windows, Mac OS, and many flavors of Linux and Unix. Now let's learn a bit about how Chef works. You start with a Chef server. The Chef server manages the nodes that make up your infrastructure. The Chef client runs on each node. A node can be a physical server, a virtual machine, your local laptop. It's anything in your computing environment that's managed by Chef. The Chef server stores information about your node's current and desired configuration. It contains sets of configuration instructions called cookbooks. The Chef server is the centralized store for all of your infrastructure information. The Chef client periodically polls the Chef server to see if there are any changes to the cookbooks or settings. If there are, the Chef server sends the latest versions to the Chef client, and the Chef client applies the configuration changes to the node. Your workstation is where you create and modify cookbooks. Cookbooks are safely stored in a source code repository. Chef includes a command line utility called Knife that runs on your workstation. One of the things you can do with Knife is send updated cookbooks and settings to the Chef server. The next time it's polled, the Chef server will send the changes to the Chef client. The result is a team effort where nodes work together to bring your infrastructure as a whole to its correct operational state. So, let Chef turn your infrastructure into code. Take advantage of the flexibility and scalability Chef provides, and start seeing consistency across your environment, push-button configuration solutions, and faster deployments. Visit us at getchef.com and sign up for your Enterprise Chef. You can get started right away and manage up to 5 nodes for free.